So, in terms of the private CFO role, we actually trademarked that role because we wanted our clients to think of themselves as CEOs of their household finances. And as you know, and many of our clients know, most CEOs have a trusted CFO or chief financial officer to help them make financial decisions more efficiently. And so that's what we are as private CFOs, in that we're essentially half their financial gurus, where we do all the research, read all the articles, watch all of the depressing news sometimes, and convey that knowledge and to them and figure out how it's going to impact them financially. When I started my career in 2005, we mostly, and I think the industry in itself mostly focused on the older generation. So our parents, our grandparents, and again, we found that one of the most underserved generations or demographics at the time was the Gen X and Gen Y generations, and these people were either starting off their families, they were graduating college, they were starting their businesses, but maybe didn't have a ton of assets or a ton of wealth at that time. But we knew that as they got older, they would have assets, they would have wealth, their income would grow. And so our firm started to focus on the XY gen. So as you know, we are not allowed to buy digital currencies for our clients yet, but we have and are able to provide advice on the exchange traded funds that are trading basically on the features. The other option that we can provide to our clients is, if they did want to do it themselves, again, they can go open a digital wallet for themselves. Unfortunately, we still can't tell them which currency they're allowed to buy. And
Right.
then the last option that is new for many firms is there are privately owned firms that are out there that allow for clients to invest their money into a digital currency fund. And that is an option. I think that there are industries like you were mentioning, the digital currency industry and cryptocurrency industries that we should be allowed to speak about with our clients. I don't know if people were aware of this, but large firms like JP Morgan Chase are investing their own corporate treasury money into digital currency. But imagine JP Morgan Chase, but none of their financial advisors can even talk about it. And then the third way is we, in terms of Oxygen, have been really ahead of the game in terms of social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. But again, some of the larger firms, because we've been independent, we've been really blessed to have a team and broker dealer that has allowed us to have influence on the social media space and internet space.